happy Ramadan to you all out there. Everyone watching me right now, happy Ramadan. I want us to talk about the video I posted last week regarding the bird that was passing out the green dropping. And I asked, what do you think is wrong with this bird and how do we solve it? I'll even post it up here. So if you're a farmer, the first thing you should always check when you wake up is your bird dropping. You have to find out, is there any changes? Has something happened that you are not aware of? That's the first clue you get to know whether your bird is fine or... So let's take it that you woke up one day and you just walked inside your pen, your coop, and then you notice that most of your birds are passing out green dropping. What will you do first? Yes, you have to isolate first. You don't leave them there. You try and look for them and then take them out of the flock. That's the best you can do for yourself and for your pets. Before you now try to find out whether is the dropping normal or abnormal. Sometimes it could be as a result of you giving them green vegetables, or we have some farmers that raise their birds semi-intensive. So meaning in the morning they open them to come out, then they send them back in the evening. So if you are this type of farmer and then maybe you have a lot of greens around, then that might be why they are passing out green dropping. But if you are not, I said might because it might not also be true. It might also be the bird is sick. So there are some symptoms we have to check out for to find out if they are fine or not. They are eating, they are doing everything normal birds do, then there's no cause for alarm. But if you notice that it has isolated itself, it's dull, it's weak, the feathers are all dropped, then that is a call for alarm. You shouldn't relax. You have to try and find a solution for it. Look at some diseases that can cause green dropping in poultry. Newcastle is number one. Salmonella, severe QC, infectious bronchitis, fowl typhoid, and a whole lot. Even gumboro can cause green dropping. So that's why you have to look out for other symptoms. Green dropping is the first thing. Now you have to now assess the other symptoms to now finalize your conclusion. If the other symptoms matches with what I have said earlier, then meaning you have to now find a way and treat them. You have to get a vet personnel to come to your farm, or you try and treat them organically. According to sources, that if you use some organic medication, they might actually work. That's what I read, but I don't know. I've not tried it, so I can't give an answer. But the best for you is to get a vet personnel to come to your farm, because how long do you think the organic medication will take before it starts acting? You don't. So make sure after you isolate, try and then clean everywhere, disinfect. Make sure your biosecurity measures and everything are all in place for your birds to be safe. And then ensure that you try and then